Hey, it's Mark from Mark of the Cyberbeast. Today, I'm going to talk about the new tires I went with and why. Now, you may have seen from a previous episode that I ran over some kind of piece of wood on my passenger rear tire right in the sidewall. And whenever you have a puncture in your sidewall, a lot of these places like Discount Tire and so forth, they don't want to fix them. They'll plug them on the tread, but not along the side. Now, can you plug a sidewall damaged tire? Yes, you can. These places don't like to do it, and for good reason. They're just, it's not really as stable and not really recommended as the ones on the tread. Now, the tires I had were the original OEM tires of my Cybertruck. These guys had 30,000 miles on it. Mark, how do you get 30,000 miles out of your Cybertruck tires? And it's real easy. I use FSD a lot. I'm at 98.7%. and I don't chirp my tires. Now, occasionally I will show somebody how I launch with a Cyberbeast, and I do go ahead and chirp the tires, but it's rare. It's very, very rare. So I just, I drive it like an adult, right? And that's how you're gonna get the life out of these tires that you should be getting. Now, these are big ass tires, not gonna lie. They're not cheap, not for the faint, right? So, you can go to Costco, you can go to Discount Tire. Some people have recommended Walmart, and you're gonna shop around and try to get the best prices. Now, here's what I've figured out. I was happy to get 30,000 miles off the OEM tires. A lot of people I've seen in the Facebook groups, they were getting 10,000, 15,000, 20,000. Not many people were getting 30 and above, only because, they're not the best tires. And I think they're rated between, 30 and 45,000 miles, the OEM ones. And whenever they rate a tire, it's never gonna be accurate because you're just gonna use it a lot harsher. Also depends where you're using it. Now, I'm in South Carolina, right? I don't have snow, I don't need big tread. I don't go off-road, okay? These guys use a phrase, and I hate this phrase, okay? Pavement princess, okay? Now, yes, I'm a pavement princess, but I'm someone who uses the bed of my truck. I haul, I tow, I use the electric when I'm doing repairs on our rentals. So, I use the heck of it as a truck. I just don't take it off-road. It's not a toy for me. It is a work truck. That's why it's registered to my company and not to me. It's a work truck. Now, the damage to my tire happened at probably the best time, 30,000 miles. What I was planning to do later this week, I'm driving to the Keys. I was originally planning to go to the Keys, come back, and then replace my tires, try to get another 2,000 more miles out of it. So 32,000 miles, I'm okay with, right? The wear on them, I mentioned in a previous episode, it was 5 32nd, 4 32nd, and 2 tires are at 3 32nd. And 4 and 3 is really where you need to start thinking about new tires. 2 to 3, you need new tires. I mean, just you're beyond that point. Now, these are some badass Michelin Defenders, okay? Just so you know, your tire size right here, it's a 285/65 R20. R20 means it's a 20-inch tire. The 285/65 are some other measurements on the tire. That's the exact same as the OEM. Now, you may want the OEM because you've got the hubcap and you've got those little cutouts. Well, the exact OEM tire is actually technically discontinued. Now, there is a replacement that does have those cutouts. I forgot what it was, but I don't use that OEM cover. As you can see, I use the inner covers that Tesla gave us. I like to show off my red caliper covers. That's just the look I like better. The other thing too, why I went with these Michelin Defenders, it's really the warranty and the price. So Discount Tire is a couple miles down the road for me. Costco's a 45-minute ride. Discount Tire will do your tire rotations for free, whether you got tires there or not. So I figured, since I brought my truck there for 2 or 3 times to get my tires rotated already, I kind of owe it to them, right? They also did a balance and alignment on my tires one of the times. So every other time you should kind of do a balance on them just to make sure. If you treat your tires right, they're going to last. Again, I've had pickup trucks 35 years. I'm used to dropping $2,000 on tires. What we're gonna talk about, I dropped $2,000. By the time I paid my fees and my taxes, it was like $2,219 and change, okay? That was my out the door price. But I paid about $490 or so per tire. And I went with these because, number one, the warranty. Now, one thing you'll see, possibly if you zoom in, don't think you can, is the tread on these is sick. I mean, this is some deep, deep tread. I mean, I've never seen tread this deep. Now, why is there tread this deep, Mark? I'm gonna answer that for you. The thing is, with these tires, most of them are rated anywhere from 30 to 50,000 miles, 3 years is the typical warranty on a lot of these tires. These tires have a 7-year, 70,000 mile warranty. I didn't stutter, I didn't misspeak. 7 years, 70,000 miles. Now, again, it's gonna be hard for you to see, but this tread is the distance of my pinky metatarsal right there. And that thing is just deep. From what I understand, I think the measurement is 10/30 seconds, okay? It's literally twice the tread, and that's why it's twice the warranty. They had some discounts on some of these other ones, and if you go online, you'll be able to see the cheapest price you can get on a tire for this Cybertruck, for the Cyberbeast. I'm not sure about the all-wheel drive. The all-wheel drive, I think you can use some smaller tires. The Cyberbeast is a little bit beefier ones. The cheapest tires I think were about $370, $380, okay? But they're gonna be 30,000 mile, 3-year tires. So for $100 more per tire, which is roughly 25% of the price, you can get twice the warranty. Now, they had some other ones that were around $410 or so that were 50,000 mile warranties. But again, you know, for the extra 70 bucks, 7 years, 70,000 miles, and it is just a beefy looking freaking tire. I like the way it looks. These Michelin Defenders, they're Defender LTX Platinum, okay, if you want to know the exact model. Michelin Defender LTX Platinum. Again, it's the same size as the OEM. My out the door price, again, $2,219. They were about $480, $490 per tire exact, I'm not sure. There's the charge, $120 charge for 4 tires, about $30 per tire for the installation and for the state fees for disposal and special taxes that they have on the tire. Plus, I'm in an 8% area, so we're paying 8% sales tax. So, you know, we'll do a little distance. We'll kind of show you what these tires look like here from a distance. They look good, right? Again, if Costco's closer to you than Discount Tire, maybe Costco's your place to go. Costco also does tire rotation for free, but usually with Costco, you have to make appointments. There's a wait. They are very, very busy. The cool thing about Discount Tire is that you can really just walk in. They can do an alignment for you, or I'm sorry, do a rotation for you. They have Wi-Fi for you to use, an area to sit with your laptop. Even if they're busy, they can probably get to you in about an hour or so. If you call ahead and ask how busy they are, you can really get in there and not have to wait at all. I think their service is spot on. I don't get any endorsement for them. I didn't get a discount. Wish I asked for the Mark of the Cyberbeast discount. It just totally escaped me. But I figured I got a good price on it. And again, just from what I found, probably best bang for the buck tire-wise for your Cybertruck as you start replacing these. I'm fast approaching the 2-year mark, the 2-year birthday of Mark of the Cyberbeast. That's why I named my truck Mark of the Cyberbeast, of course. But it's 2 years on those tires, finally replaced them. And I've got a new product I'm using to make the tires look good, also make the plastic on the wheel wells look good as well. I'm gonna have that in a separate episode. It's this new product I found. Honestly, it's unlike the others. I did an episode on linseed oil and some other ones, but I actually have a product that this really has done a night and day difference with bringing out that color on the plastics and also on the tires. So we'll have an episode on that. But again, the Michelin Defender LTX Platinum. Guys, if you have to replace your tires, seriously consider these. I want to hear what you guys have to say. Have you replaced tires? Have you found something better, cheaper, last longer? How long did your tires last? Are you still on them? Did you go through them quickly? Fill up those comments, give me some feedback. I want to know what you guys think. And we're going to have an episode on underglow lighting soon. We got some stuff from EV Base I want to show you guys. So until then, I want you to like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you next time on Mark the Cyberbeast.